Good morning, children. As a continuation of exercise 6.3, let us proceed with vector triple product. Given any vector, let us assume A equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k. We want to show some result. So let us take one by one. I cross A cross I. How will I write it? Remember the model. We do I dot I into A. How do I write it? I dot I into A minus I dot A into I. So I write I dot A into I. What is I dot I? A dot A we say A square. I dot I is I square. I square is 1 because I, J, K are unit vectors. So in vector algebra, I dot I or J dot J or K dot K, my answer is 1. So I dot I is 1. 1 into A is A minus I dot A. I dot A, what is A actually? A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Then what is I dot A? When I do dot product, I and I multiply. So I and I means I get only A1. So it is A1i vector. This I have written. I dot A means I and I multiply. Same pattern. The second one is J cross A cross J. How do we put the arrow mark? It is J dot J into A. J dot J into A minus J dot A into J. J dot A into J. J dot J is 1. 1 into A is A only. J dot A means this A is nothing but A1i, A2j, A3k. Dot product with J means J and J I multiply. My answer is A2 into J. So I get A2 into J. Third one, K cross A cross K. Again, it is K dot K into A. K dot K into A minus K dot A into K. K dot A into K. K dot K is 1. 1 into A is A only. Minus K and A, when I go dot product means K and K. So what is K component? A3. So my answer is A3K. Now I need to add it all. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives me I cross A cross I plus J cross A cross J plus K cross A cross K equals, adding it all, it is A minus A1i plus A minus A2j plus A minus A3k. How many A's are there together? 3 A's minus, all this minus I have taken common, A1i plus A2j plus A3k. What is A1i plus A2j plus A3k? It is nothing but A vector, our original assumption. So 3A minus A is nothing but 2A and 2A is the RHS. So we started with LHS and we arrived at the RHS and hence the problem. Question number 3. Prove that A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, the box product is 0. What do we mean by box product? One place I put dot and one place I put cross. So B minus C cross C minus A. Find this and then dot with A minus B. Keep A minus B as it is and dot. Find out this answer. It's ordinary multiplication. B cross C, it is distributive law. B cross C, B cross A. So I write B cross C minus B cross A. Minus C cross C, C cross A. Minus C cross C, minus into minus, plus C cross A. So we have just done B cross C, B cross A, C cross C, C cross A. Any letter same, it becomes 0. In cross product, similar vectors come, my answer is 0. So I am left with A minus B dot B cross C minus B cross A plus C cross A. What symbol is here? Dot. So what we do? A and A. I multiply with the three things. A dot B cross C. I write A, B, C. Similarly, A dot B cross A. I will write A, B, A. A dot C cross A. I shall write A, C, A. Then again I have minus symbol. B dot B cross C is B, B, C. B dot this one. Minus into minus plus B dot B cross A is B, B, A. Minus into plus is minus B, C, A. Similar letters come, they become 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. We are left with A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus BCA, I can rearrange A, B, C. We have learnt cyclically we can change. So BCA also can be written as ABC. Now ABC minus ABC cancels and I am getting 0. So that is the problem. When I find the triple product of the differences, my answer is 0. Given A, B, C, we need to find A cross B dot A cross C. One method, find A cross B, find A cross C and then dot. We have one more formula like this. Dot is here, here across and here across. You put arrow mark. A dot A, first one. Then A dot C. Second row will be the second element here. B dot A. B dot C. So this is another formula when you have cross in the bracket and dot in the middle. This is scalar product of 4 vectors. One method, find the cross separately and then dot. This is another equivalent formula. What is A dot A? I have to put A dot A is A square. So squares of these numbers. 2 square, or we can find this separately. What is A dot A? It is mod A square. A square, 2 square, 3 square, 1 square. 4 plus 9 plus 1, together it is 14. So this answer is 14. A dot C. Dot product means I and I, J and J, K and K. So 2 into 1, 3 into 1, minus 1 into 1. So it is 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is 4. Now I want B dot A. How to find B dot A? A and B, we have to find the dot. Minus 1 into 2. 2 into 3 minus 4 into minus 1. Or if I simplify, B dot A equals minus 2 plus 6 plus 4, that is 8. And I want B dot C. It is between B and C. Dot product, minus 1 into 1, 2 into 1, minus 4 into 1. So remember, dot product means I and I, J and J, K and K. Multiply the components. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 3. Now we are just to expand the determinant. 14 into minus 3 minus 8 into 4. It is minus 42 minus 32, that is minus 74, and that is the answer. Question number 7. We are given A, B, C, and A cross B cross C is LA plus MB plus NC. We need to find what is LMN. First, let us find what is A cross B cross C. What is the formula for A cross B cross C? A dot C into B. A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. A dot B into C. What is A dot C? Let me find separately. A dot C is equal to I and I, 1 into 3, J and J, 2 into 2, K and K, 3 into 1. That is 3 plus 4 plus 3, which is 10. So this is 10B vector minus, I want to find A dot B. A value 1 into 2, I and I. J and J, 2 into minus 1. K and K, 3 into 1. That is 2 minus 2 plus 3, which is 3. So this is minus 3C vector. Compare this with LA, MB, NC. I get LA, MB plus NC equal to 10B vector minus 3C vector. There is no A vector here. So A vector is not missing, means I can say it is 0 A vector or L is equal to 0. So we compare the coefficients of or the components of A, B, C. Instead of coefficients, we can very well say components. So A component is L, here no A means 0. And B component is M, that is 10. And C component is N, that is minus 3. So my answer is L is 0, M is 10 and N is minus 3. Question number 8. We are given A, B, C are 3 unit vectors. As soon as I read they are unit vectors, remember the modulus is 1. Unit vectors imply the modulus is 1. B and C are non-parallel, that means B cross C is not 0. I want to compare this answer. So A cross B cross C. What is my formula? A dot C into B. A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. A dot B into C. Now this is by the formula. They have given it is half B cap. This is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. Comparing the components. Which component? Comparing B, C components. Here B component I have half and here it is A dot C. So A dot C equal to 1 by 2. Here there is C component whereas here there is no C. That is A dot B 0. So I get A dot B equal to 0. My question is about A and C. So ignore the second part. The first part says A dot C equal to half. What does this mean? What is dot product formula? Mod A, mod C, cos angle between A and C, that is equal to half. What is mod A? We have written 1. Mod C also 1. Cos theta equal to half. This implies cos theta is half, means theta value will be equals to pi by 3. So what is the question? Angle between the vectors A and C. So angle between the vectors A and C is nothing but theta, which is nothing but pi by 3, and that is the answer. Thank you.